Reaching above the front drive shaft, I'm going to disconnect the connector. There is a lock tab on the connector, so you have to slide that back first. Push down, disconnect it. Then there's one bolt that holds it in. It's at the base of it. I'm going to use a 10mm socket, take that bolt out. Now I'm going to grab the sensor and just try to twist it a little bit back and forth and then pull. You might need some needle nose pliers and try to grab it. Just try to rock it back and forth. Some pliers. If you need to, you could try to use a screwdriver and just try to twist it a little bit, just prying it on the side. Just be careful of the knock sensor. You don't really want to damage that. Just be careful. All right, that's loose, so I'm just going to twist it back and forth. Just trying to pull it out, working it back and forth, and there it is. Take the new sensor and line it up. Slide it in position where the old one was. Just rock it back and forth a little bit. Make sure it seats. Take the bolt, get that started. Tighten the bolt down. And snug it down. If you can fit a torque wrench in there, you want to torque that to 89 inch-pounds. And just line the connector up. Lock it down and push down on the lock.